They're bound to really dirty, you know, come dirty your people.
And I want a cigarette just now. I'm not even on a cigarette drop. Bumbleclot life insurance because she want taken care of. When my son reached 14, because me think me never did I read like you, Puss. I guess me can't read like you, Puss. Me think it's when my mama dead, but you never say when my mama dead, it say 10 years. That means my son are going to be what, 14? And my daughter going to be what? My calculation not too good. My son I go get 800,000 and my daughter I go get 500,000 and me I go get 200,000 US dollars. She I try to pave the way. You understand? That's what we do. I'm a baby father, the little boy on the keep on. I say, oh, little boy, I don't love cuss people and tell people them and not talk on a bumbleclot story. Come talk your story. Come tell me how you was a failure. Tell me how you was a failure.
Yeah, I said me must take you off of my life, Gifted, because you're a pervert. Yeah. Puss move your blood clot. Come take her down now.
What did she say?
Send me a pervert. Go suck your mother. Puss go suck. Puss go suck. Puss go suck all your granny.
She said I should take down Gifted off my life. And I hear this woman like me and her friend.
Could steal the ring, which is
yeah, look at enemy, Puss. You need to go look at enemy with the man with you so much children we can bless you with a house. You need to be mad. You know what you need to be mad at, Puss? You need to be mad that none of your children them cannot bless you with a house in England. That's what you need to be mad about. For me, I wash, cook, and clean for so much grand people. None out of my little chick that them can buy me a house as a gratitude for being a great grandmother. None of them can buy you something.
Well, I'm the gift to them myself for run your car. You say you fuck kids. Yeah. Yeah, he's a pervert. You them up one with beer. I just the truth. Listen to them.
Is that the best they can do?
And them people are fully mad
Is
enough.
that the best they can do?
Not for your side. Let them just have a company inside. So, oh no, you're a pervert and me have you over here.
Mm-hmm.
Push them if you take it down. How much blood clot is?
Me go to police station, see your girl and
We already know Susie come out here come talk already. That's why she not fuck with your kaya.
Yeah, Cash Queen says she filed a report for you and her friend.
Susie just tell with this man and that's why Susie not fuck with your cause you're idiot. Cause your mouth strong pan the net, but as soon as the net over you run go police station.
Why? The people are unfair.
number, girl.
No, no, because I turn off my light and lie down because my belly full.
Soon as the light get here, she bad and she bowl and she rare. She went to police station 6 times to make a report and the policeman asked her, please don't come back. Susie talked that on the live this morning. 6 times she up on phone with Susie. And I tell Susie, me go say something you for counteract what me say. And Susie said, yeah man, go on. And when she reach police station, I call Susie no answer back the phone.
Susie not the police.
And post, when I big up on yourself later, I'm going to make my money. I thought you want to mix up my name with some picnic business. And I said, don't come with this picnic thing. I see the pervert up on the side and you're now talk about that. To picnic. This picnic thing. The real pervert over there.
You see how the thing work now, Gifted?
I see it work.
They want to turn us against you now, so the whole Instagram beats you. You know? I just want to see you know.
May I say from she tell like palm my eyes open, but she hear me a rub and do. Move your dirty blood clot and go. If you did raise your kids right, you would not suffer. Push, if you did raise your chiclet right, you would not suffer. You would not be suffering, Puss. You can't talk to me. You can't talk to me.
Gifted, I might turn now. Brashy get added. So I'm here with a big pussy girl, I say. Come under my blood clot. Come ready up my blood clot. Start it, bitch. Come ready.
Yeah, cool. Hey, cool.
Nobody don't want your blood clot, you. Me like how me motivate pussy start clean. Your house dirty in a blood clot. Your Airbnb free house. You're supposed to come out of the bed and go clean, dirty woman. Well, I'm gifted. Come on, hear my name, blood clot call. Come now playing a joke with you, because I'm a friend blood clot killer. But you should know I'm not a shame tree of blood clot. When you come with pitch star, you could have come with Jesus to blood clot me and send you back to hell. You better blood clot drive. You better blood clot drive. Come now playing the games with you. Don't call me fucking name and don't call Munchie blood clot name. That me and me can know. Oh, you jump off. Go on back now, gifted. Come think the girl come for me a while ago. Come on, name out for blood.
She trust me, she gotta come back. She gotta come back.
No, she for come already up no blood clot.
And she come up and say she upset you and that you spit me.
I never said nothing. Yeah, that's how they stay.
You said that was wrong, though. Bringing yourself. He tell her that was wrong. And she said the mother agree with
Good on in my story post. Good on in it. Good on in it post. Good on in it. Cause you and your children them are losers. Good on in it.
Pussy, your father fuck you when you underage.
You did the pam blood clot phone a ball about your father fuck you and how you find forgiveness in your heart, but you want to talk about me. Good on in it post.
Gifted, when I teach you this now, because I know you're not really out a long time. This is the segment what they call divide and conquer. They call this divide and conquer and planting seeds of doubt. So they might make people them now start look for a difference. And
then can't look for me any how them want.
They want me and Munchie and two real for say. I chew them are talking it, I look bad for we moving up blood clot. Just a while ago, no one gifted the team up with the and choose the team up with the third partner. And this lava afraid of because lava knows that if push of our business, if push turn partner now. Brashy and everybody.
No, because she sit down on phone and Kiki and tell Puss her personal business. She sit down on phone till 5 o'clock in the morning and tell Puss her personal life. So Puss have ammunition for days.
Yeah.
Well, you remember, so when Puss call me decline all her fucking call them.
I mean, like lava, you know, but you have to set them free, yeah, man. But then go on with them, I go.
I love lava, but I can't believe the lava turn for me for this woman because them dey on phone till 5 o'clock in the morning. I go tell me, say, but me for leave war alone. Me I say, where that talk, but me not in an hour. Oh, Puss say you fi Puss go suck her, mama, yeah, man.
Don't worry, I'm gonna make fret them. I gotta make fret them come out for one whole day and this one and she. Listen, I'm not call people out for war and I'm fully bad in a blood clot. But since she wanna call you a pedophile, we need to go back down memory lane and see why her husband is in prison and take the charge for she and what them dad do with young girls back in the day. So I gotta get back fret them out here. I like how me inspire. Oh God,
Puss, I have a 22-year-old away from me. Talk about that too. Cash Queen, at the Apple computer here did I try fuck for me. Let me show you something more pussy power work, my girl. Wait. But me turn on my light a second. Trash bag. Come here, trash bag. Let me show you how gifted suck cocky good. Watch that. Hold on. Una can't see it? Una can't see it? I did say that fuck for trash bag. Yeah, right there so. Right there so. That did that fuck
You know,
for.
I'm not like this though, because you honestly, I say you don't want to get involved and them and enjoy you.
Trash
You
bag.
know, yeah.
That did that fuck for trash bag. Trash bag. I one cocky me suck 1,200 and something that like cost.
And then you the girl until I have to pull up today when they're up on the live.
Up.
Then after you
So
that,
run,
you're not here the
you know,
corner.
your Susie said she run go Walmart, go put up camera and did there. I thought was light come on,
Well,
pon camera.
you're Nicole now. She afraid of you.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, she afraid.
Yeah, okay.
Afraid.
That's
Every day them get up, them jump back from beer. Beer is a rape, beer this, beer that. Beer, beer at the time.
Let's even look Palm Blair, because I know what happens to Blair right now as we speak. So I'm going to look Palm Blair, because I want to know, say, I'm not full of chat. I'm not full of blood clot chat. So when you hear me go silent, you don't know what time it is. So go and check our phone out.
trash bag that did that try fuck for the Apple computer there. The Apple desktop computer there, trash bag.
And they must come up with a rape, and you can't use them, and it don't become a problem to them. How can you have a rape up when you pick them and watch? A month, 7 months for there. And it's clear that she is a rape because you could use his underage.
Oh, poor thing.
But two. She said she did. All right.
Yeah, 2 dead.
And it's okay with them and nobody have a problem with it.
Well, I can go find for them live. Well, people, I can go on YouTube. I could go down memory blood clot lane. I don't want to bully everybody for go on the team. I want the blood clot this. I tell myself I'm not do focus on my targets. I really want to drag out a big pussy girl.
Well, here was since as you want come for my little nice clean brown skin, boy. My baby father will just put in him teeth them with the diamond span it look so sexy, but and take him back him out clean. Yeah. Post since as you want go there, here we go on now post. To the young lady who pay man for Bundong Post House, thank you. On behalf of all of us on the internet, we would like to tell you thank you. You did a wonderful job. Since as you want to go there, Post, you want to talk about my baby father, the father of my children? Honorable
Judge Fred was like, that's good session.
Oh, big of yourself, Denise Brown.
Tag the old clothes government.
You know what? Go and rub a good girl.
I don't know why you are playing the handicap there.
No, you're bright. I fret them. I talk about Nicole and the pedophile or something what she and her husband get.
Oh, me I wonder if I me think of the thing on that, you know. No, me think of what's your name Brashy that. Me swear see a Brashy that.
No, I know I fret them will beat her up in New York with
Oh, the one where the car down with him up with them. Tired. Boy, Miss Piggly Wiggly.
So some lady really beat her in mackerel?
Yeah.
She did that song for hours and Sean tell her not to go everywhere with me and Candy there only 2 ways. I said go, because we don't want for them bust up her blood clot. When she go now, she got the car and fret them just pull up now. The woman she fret them and start run. If you want to fret them with the tooth in her mackerel, them and she have gun in her hand, you know. She run gun her car nearly lick down one old woman and drive off.
So who have gone?
Murder.
Nicole car gone. So Nicole can't run? Nicole can't go. My friend them can't toot in a mackerel, I swear. 10, I wish for you so good yourself.
And now my friends let him be good.
Oh, God.
Oh, be good with me. Yes, I have a friend like that, man.
Sam,
I'll show me.
you not have the video. And them video
Somebody pull up the video for me now.
record from them time, you know,
But eat
girl.
one Max's crisp paprika.
Then
No.
Nicole so blood clot and
Me
run
go
off her
sleep.
mouth and after Chantal I don't go. Nicole had it and ear fret them voice and run. Me say she run your fuck. Ear fret them start ball and say, let me go. Let me go. Oh my God. The bitch ran. Man, I'm so mad. I'm so mad. Oh my God. I wanted to hit her in the face with the tin bam. Oh my God. Don't fret them ball. You fuck. Fret them ball. Hear Nicole now when we say, why you drive off? Why you run like here and drive off? Fret them's right there. You know, me now go back. She come late. What's up? But you still was there. She's still there. You know, but she come later. I do was 6 o'clock. It's now
I never go to
6:05.
war special
I don't
time.
like you know.
Yeah,
She
she
too
said
terrible.
6:05. She have to get back over the bridge. It's 6:05 now. Me say, oh Lord, send a ad Karen, me drop down too real.
Bright,
I mean,
bright.
when I come here, I keep to come to kick out girl clit.
Post, my mother is a queen here. My mother, me supposed to walk. And me supposed to sell the folk there. My mother is a queen. You could
I
never
saw she
walk it.
love size up with
Yeah,
people.
you want size up with a real diamond, like a real gold. Like, if only you know my mother, like
Karen,
you can't
boo.
size up. If only you know my baby father, lady.
Too real job down for a second. My friend bust it up and stinking pussy done out.
Your blood clot son-in-law, them did stay like my baby
Brashy
father.
think the blood clots. Brush your neck back full of ringworm, the blood clots. Move your blood clot and stop sodomize the girl with your dirty tongue. Too real, drop down quick and fast. You know,
For real, jump down. You must
here.
jump
Too real. I'm going to do something.
Too real.
Real. I take him down, but he might not. I dare not current. So I go and my girl.
Bright. Pussa come tell lie for me about my blood clot over your talk about your father fuck. Go ahead.
I don't know, say every blood clot chance me get me a bust it up on that big dick nose bitch there. Every blood clot
To come a
chance.
while ago about she a drive girl yard. Bust it up, my friend.
Stage driving. Everybody good afternoon. Give to me here your word, but hold on there. Dirty blood clot brashy. Dirty drunker blood clot. No weak brashy. No family brashy. We are walking and look people blood clot family. We have to reach down in our people in a Tivoli and try to find family to Munchie family. Go suck your dirty blood clot, big nose self. Me say dirty girl, me dream saying I'm a blood clot. Dream me I kill your blood clot, bitch. That's all. That's drug crow. That's all blood clot serious means in a dream, bitch. May I take you fucking out. So even at the spiritual realm, blasting me, have fuck you up. Bitch, let me tell you something. It will be a cool blood clot DNL when me done rob you. So you can't tell big pussy post and dirty blood clot jenga them over there. So every blood clot there me a war your ying teeth brushy. Every blood clot there me a war you. Every day. There's not a day when you not get blood clot war. Me say Alina, your blood clot sleep me a blood clot beat your bitch. You pick the wrong blood clot one.
Karen,
bitch.
come back. No interruptions.
You not
Karen,
hear me?
Paris. Larry, girl, bad like you.
Hello?
We are here.
How Karen gone?
Karen, bust it, girl, bust it.
You not hear me?
Yes, Karen, bust it.
Okay, because all in my blood clot sleep all punish in the blood clot spiritual realm. Me fuck you up, bitch. That's how much you violate.
You take a blood clot orders from Puss. I mean, at the blood clot army. A mission and I take blood clot orders from people. But you gonna take blood clot orders from Pussy because me come here, you don't have nothing. And Pussy, move your blood clot, send out Brashy. And dirty blood clot, Nicole. Listen, Nicole, you don't have no shame. Nicole, you don't have no mind. You never hear say them Jamaica then say you have to take insult for invitation. Look how much blood clot here is Puss rubby and scrubby and dog yo. And you over Puss a cock up and tell Puss, oh, she not fi take back blood clot gifted. And cash. Nicole, you don't really make it up. Nicole, you're almost 16 now. You're almost blood if you're not 61. Hey, that thing, girl, you not got blood clot work for you sitting there. Your retirement. Hold on there. Hold on there, look a bit. Hold on there. Brashy will favor the grandpa blood clot emoji. Brashy honor your kura and chaka like in a Puss blood clot mouth. You can't argue with nobody big stinking dirty pithole toilet face, oh man. Move your blood clot and go know your baby father. You're rancid, no blood clot and stagnant like gutter water. You can't argue with nobody over here. So Puss with feel leaky blood clot outside. So you talk as a sour fly bite up your blood clot lip. Where I low young girl. Low young girl make young girl be free. Mr. Susie, where them here call you all and them come ambush gifted over there, but she wall her blood clot. Oh, that girl. Dirty blood clot. I in your blood clot dreams me a beat out your blood clot drunk. You violate it. Bitch, you will get a fucking beating from now. Puss can't take this off of you. And you always get a blood clot beating you. You saw your mouth look like blood clot black mamba. And I dirty snake mouth, you're a snake. That's why they will rip off your blood clot head and me a bun you. Look on your blood clot.
Where eyebrow there? Where eyebrow?
She have my eyebrow on. Cause God ate her blood clot, your abomination. Dirty blood clot, demon blood clot, Brashy. I'm going to stab up your blood clot. You fucking bitch. Go and go report any blood clot thing you want to report. And dirty blood clot, jenge blood clot, all closed government Nicole. You can't come over blood clot Puss. Me say this time, me say Puss a plan for you, you know. It won't on the blood clot over there for pay Puss. Puss never go blood clot like me because Puss never see one of my blood clot dollar. Me not take my money give a big pussy woman. Puss not have blood clot every day on have to cash up her. Dirty blood clot cash queen up on have
That's
to
why
pay
me
blood clot.
she not like me.
On have to pay blood clot. Puss couldn't get my money. Look on this one here. She have to pay Puss though. On a move on a blood clot and go. Dirty blood clot. Brashy will look like the bottom of blood clot shoes. They're all blood clot school shoes there. We tap up in all kind of set now. Move your blood clot.
The filler. Where shoes in pillar?
Yeah, you can't chat to blood clot me, that dog. You can't stop with me. You stink like blood clot down there. Dirty Brashy. Look on you. Look on you. Not even look a lipstick. Look on you, your blood clot greasy. Excuse me, I want jar of grease off of your blood clot and take it go fried fish. Look on your blood clot that come for smaddy. And every blood clot, dear me, I rub you. Every blood clot, dear bitch. You're disloyal fucking friend killer. You're disingenuous.
Hey.
And you can't feel the blood clot call words.
Hey.
Hold up the picture there, good daddy. Oh, I show the people them something to blood clot. Take no joy out, look at it, I can see her face full. Blood.
We'll find our daddy.
Karen, you're going too close, man. Zooming too close. You want to see it properly, man.
Find our daddy.
Screenshot.
I'm somebody's screen. No one screenshot this. Eternal Father, bless our lives. Guide us with thy pride upon. Keep us free from evil power. What's your? Be our light true. Fuck are you? Best.
Hey, a twin, you know? A twin.
My twin and them. Go best friend, you killing them. Well, I can find her mama now.
Find the baby father too.
Go on with the road, good girl.
Yes, man, this bitch, every blood clot.
Once a boom, she might as well turn skinhead.
Every blood clot, dear. You get up and come. Every blood clot, dear. May a blood clot get you drunk. Every blood clot, dear. May I come after you. You fucking bitch. Every blood clot, dear. May I come after you, drunk. Dead dog, may I come after you. Okay, you looking at nothing and see nothing, because guess what? May I slant this blood clot. Suck yourself, dirty blood clot, choose bottom brushy. Brushy, you coming like blood clot, sweetie blood clot, paper.
I really brush your mama for
No, man, she for your post. I wonder if your post.
That's true. Pull up back your first picture.
I wonder if your post.
Hold on there. Aunt Jemima full of picture, you know, guys. Aunt Jemima on the pancake box.
Watch there. Watch Brushy twin.
That is true. Girl. Aunt Jemima. Don't fuck
Brushy, a player twin.
Your family, them see him. If you go research your family, them have to stop research people family. That they need to go back. You know what? I got to rub girl and have enough time.
I know. Me have to look behind me because it says somebody's supposed to step out of one building. And anytime they step, you're going to hear me go mute. Me say every blood clot there. Online, look who are tie determined on them. Look on grease blood clot monkey brushy. Look on grease blood clot monkey. Look on dirty brushy. Look on this a dirty girl here. I can't tell blood clot like for me. Look but Obia. Look on brushy where have Obia written all over her. Look on her. The Obia work against her. That's how much the universe hate this a blood clot bitch yeah. Watch on this a trash bag yeah. Watch this one yeah. Look on she. Look how long this a blood clot yeah girl there England and she brought no blood clot. Me can't just go in on my blood clot person Joe $200 for nothing, no reason. And that's stay there. And me need $1,000 blood clot dollar, me can't find it. And me need 10 blood clot $1,000 cash, me can't find it. I look at this a dirty one, you have our money a man a prison. Go suck your blood clot, mama brushy. And war me, every blood clot there. You coming like blood clot keckle, you coming like rubbish blood clot sheep. You coming like down a blood clot ray dirty market, dirty. You coming like a fish pot at Coronation Market. Fucking brushy. Every blood clot there, it's on and popping, bitch. Rest in peace, Bubbler. Go suck your dirty self. Every blood clot there is on and popping. But you make puss, you can tell me about me shouldn't rub puss. Yeah, who? Puss have manners? Look how pussy that talk to gifted today. Puss not have no manners. Puss disrespect blood clot peckful.
And I come
Puss more.
It's clean baby father, my mother. You're bright, you're like a dirty blood clot. You feel as a mother dirty post. You feel as a mother. Cause you never hear my mother blood clot beg you dirty bitch. Go suck your mother. Don't ever try that again.
And that's why I can't blood clot chat to me. Me say, right away, me lock you down. Me lock down your blood clot. Lock down this. Now make you chat to me any blood clot way on the internet. Go suck yourself. Dirty brushy. Go suck your blood clot self. You stink like drunk or you dirty post. Post not even like you about you and do threesome with Uno. Move on a blood clot. Uno corruption for show. Uno nasty blood clotness. Uno drunk crow. Uno fuck man, uno fuck woman, uno fuck dog, uno fuck out uno old for prison man. Brassy every blood clot prisoner Jamaica in a down a GP have your pussy. Picture when you rub out your blood clot catches for oral gammon. Go suck your dirty self. Your dirty blood clot prisoner bitch. You don't have no blood clot standard. Who the fuck left Jamaica and live in England and reach back at Jamaica in a prison? You're not even gonna say make you find a chopper. You find a blood clot prisoner. And the prisoner
She find a igla.
A chopper
Chopper run things now, girl. Igla now run things now. Chopper. And dirty, look at dirty blood clot, Brashy. And the man still no blood clot want you. But me rub out the catches to the man. You lying a blood clot, but you come with 40 people that come call name. Call name no mean nothing, bitch. Anybody can call anybody name. If you watch Sherpy, everybody know a blood clot, the man name, and know the story. Go suck yourself. You come a little bit up with people them thing, I come and talk up with people them name. And this the fuck? And if night should turn to day now, a lot of people would run away. Now who the cap fits, let them wear it. But you my con, you never call that and current. I'm a report to life.
Nah, me there, man. Come here near me, call Kimara.
Me change pampers, well on.
Oh, as a mother.
Me just start out near sound then.
As a
Kimara.
mother.
Come.
Post members say me inspire for the up and scrub up the field like them and clean the dirty out. I know the house can turn one. When I dirty people. With dirty, big up yourself too sweet.
Yes,
Dirty old post.
Yes.
Kimara.
Say, second down for my baby. So the demon them rise up against you. Just know so them not prosper. Blood clots.
You know, so she evil, but me never know, so she dislike.
You think I joke me that make? Me always tell people say, your voice could have shrunk like brushy armpit to blood clot. Me had the deodorant to keep down his smell. So all who want come,
But
let them
realize
come.
where the hater come from, when she can't get for dip in your pocket, she have a vendetta against you.
When she can't get for control it too.
I beg you, and you say, auntie, why you cash up? Can't help your pussy. You have too much like a sheep and lambs for me, give you mine. I'm sorry. My little money I forgot towards my mother, my
she
father.
over there want beat you down, and at the end of the day, we know say Nicole want name out your pussy from back way.
I say,
And put her finger in your body.
I look for she and garbage buckets, because them not bring no views. So, puts me upon your life, I have your notification, so where you go ding me, go ding her. So whether you want to add me or not, you can't say my blood clot block you. You want to go down the road, add me. I don't love talk, but oh, and I'm black and don't block me, add me. Period. Nah, I'm block you.
That the fuck out one the dog tail. Blood clot dog tail. You're quiet now on the internet, he's so cold. The fucker you.
I'm tell lie, Pam. You're not too blood clot guy, you post too lie.
Blood clot go. Tell them to go on and allow me, I'm a blood clot friend. They never want to hear so now feel. Well, I'm not come rise up on blood clot gifted to the girl, so she not pick no side.
Nah, pick no blood clot side. If Susie send me in the live, I'ma feel like I add Susie, me add Susie. Cause when she a flippy floppy, a blood clot a come for me, but me over this and me over. Me go anywhere, anybody come and add them. Me add blood clot, them post go suck your mother. I'm tired of you know. I'm tired of blood clot, you know, post. I'm tired of you. I'm tired of blood clot, you. Cause bad to bad, me no hear Susie a beg nobody no 3 pound and no 2 pound and no nothing. Susie is not a beggar. You understand? I'm tired of blood clot, you know, go and be your business. You already express how you feel, but I'm go suck your mother and leave me the fuck alone. Right? That's all right, true. Over there, I show my bumbo clot picture. Me a good as me take care of my blood clot mother and my family. When December come a 5 barrel, me have to go pack. Out of this, your pussy money. You think none of your pitney them can be me? No matter how much career your blood clot pitney them have, they could never be me because you're a beggar. They have their one mama as a beggar. Them have you as a maid. Them have you as a blood clot maid and now use a low value bumbo clot maid. You can't tell me who for bumbo clot go on life with post. Go suck your mama.
I walk one.
Then ambush gifted over there a while ago, Cash Queen and everybody, but I tell her to pull up her yard and one magazine and Nicole, I call her pedophile and pushy. But she just focus on Puss though. Then I say, Nicole, them I say she fi pick a side.
What the fuck going on out here?
How are you there? No long me I call you.
Me I tell you, so me have to cook her the big boy, me have to come off work.
Oh.
Yeah, because them do after morning job and the evening job. So I always try to don't cook for them, go back.
Everybody knows that me, not tell people for choose side. They ambush her over there a while ago, girl.
I go tell me Susie, say me over here some more than all me over there. So me a pick team with Uno.
But me always see you over here.
With our fuck out, say, Puss not try me. Don't try me because none of your kids them can't be. Me not even with a good education, then can't be me.
Gifted, you know, see holiday over here for real?
So me don't know whether me talk to her decent. She got throw trash bag up. Although me not even look for her garbage bucket. But me I talk to her, me I say, Puss, you are unfair. Because you cannot tell nobody who for bumbo clock they on live with. Me not program them way there.
So why dirty trash bag she come up and say?
I don't know, come fear words not really matter to
Puss,
me want bumbo clock deal with.
Yeah,
Don't stop with me over there talk about me a petify. My baby father make sure some have a bumbo clock Apple computer $1,260 with trash bag fuck 8 man and still no get. Still no bumbo clock get me just show no Apple bumbo clock desktop computer.
When you in your trouble, and then you have to go spend money for your money and this and that, none of them girls now come help you. You know, me know, Susie. Every one of them girls are worried for Susie, you know me know, Mama say, writing me I do for what day, because me sit down for what day in a month and I pray in a Susie. And I say,
Nicole's right, but Susie, we all know diarrhea attack. We're not dumb.
Susie what?
If Susie want blood clot, tell me something, Nicole. She will
but she put up that ball. But you know, I would say she will, she will want me a diarrhea attack. I don't know why.
I'm not going to get alive.
Yeah, diary, she put me up over there, says Susie talking diary.
If you want me something, you tell me to my blood clot face when I need you.
We not do them thing there.
Stop with the mind games, Nicole. Remember, say me a boss out here when it comes to intellectual capacity. Me not need you to break down nothing for me. Big pussy, Nicole. Go suck your mother.
Listen, me I want Miss Wang because uno send people in our inbox one way. If you say no come in a war, like uno want we come over there. So of course me go tell Miss Wang say no go over there. So go suck uno mama. You girl put me up, you know. Susie talking diary. Me see it over there from other day. From other day me I tell you. She said me I tell. Me, I tell me, I talk love.
In love with you, fuck.
I be see that.
She in love with you for sure. She's stuck up on you.
So wait there now. If me when the war broke out, right? I should them send people in our inbox.
Zakanti, Zakanti. Send a request and come ask me that.
Me want to know, sir. Me say Miss Wang, me I tell Miss Wang, say me know say her family still don't go over there. For them girl there, when they do some boom now, Zine me don't talk to Miss Wang and knock out Uku, and them girl they go put her in a jail. Yeah, this thinking dirty one you know. Susie talking about diary. I don't know why she love me name. Nicole love me, Nicole. Why me not know Nicole? Jesus.
To be honest, me and Nicole never have no problem. Me tell Nicole, say, I don't want you posting me or my friend Susie content. And the woman just get mad.
And that they start from for true. For you tell her that, she getting her feelings.
And then when Susie go over, she happy. And then when Susie go come back, Nicole, me not ask her, Susie love me more. The other day, me say she over there, I say, oh, me love you more than Candy. And then, Ukumasi, I said, no, she love Candy more than Susie. Then back and forth. No, she loves Susie more than Candy. She takes Susie from me.
Yo! Mine? Wait there.
Nicole, you know say Susie love her little niece. Somebody don't know why you come but interfere with me and Susie. You know she don't gonna lick off your head and come back home. Cause you know why people not stay around, you know? Cause they like to control people and tell people what to do and disrespect people and go like only in a cult or a gang. Now, everybody have big bomber clad people. Nobody know
And
what
if
to do with
then did
nobody
good
that
looking mother in a cult with them in a car, if I could have rub one out, if I could
Why,
have
but
blood clot rub one out to them picture them bad and not too bad.
Send it a big pussy. Send it. Come in a seat. Zakanti in a blood clot seat. Send it. Mama take the munchia angle your blood clot candle. Send it. Well on, munchie jump down there. Well on.
diarrhea drinker, what was she
Some
talk now?
Me a
fake
drink.
page, one of the enemy fake page.
Zakanti.
So
Yes,
yeah,
big
man.
pussy. Me a
You
drink for
know, so
train.
them nobody enough to come up here, so.
Me a
I
drink
bet
for train.
Come tell
I
put some
guarantee
put up a
you.
notification post. Every time you go live, me a blood clot in your comment. I have me send and me accept that bumbo
Big
clot.
pussy
Yeah, come
Zakanti.
get
Set it
bright.
up now. Set it up.
Yeah,
Cause
come
the
get
last
blood
time
clot bright.
the last
I
time
come
check me
come.
think when I did bad girl I
Susie,
would have come on the fake page and
Yeah,
set
yeah,
up the
gifted.
fuck up.
how much fitness you have? No 6 or 8.
Who?
She have the first son, then she have Madonna, then she have the
Yeah.
rapist boy, then she have the thieving daughter, then she have the Christian daughter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
About
7, a 7, a
7 of
7.
them.
You have 7 pitney. And me a 1 for my blood
Come
clot
now,
mother.
bitch.
And my mother
Send it.
not for beg. You
Come
feel
on.
as a bumbo clot mother. Don't ever come for me.
Hold on,
Don't
man.
ever come for my bumbo clot baby father. You bright? You bright?
Who come for
Put
your baby father?
One a black big pussy girl, cause you know about that life. I'm in the bagger right now, like Susie said me a drink. I'm in there. Suck your
right
mother with
your
a
blood
black.
clot bright. Pussy you don't know when to stop. And
I'm
top
a
tell lie. She
shit.
said me did up on live a cuss her about father. Me I say what the fuck? Like where you get that? If me did a cuss your puss more than talk some blood clot shit when nobody over here now, me no cuss you. But just I tell you, you need to stop.
Yo, you want things get shaky and
Yeah.
gifted? Yo! Just me don't want things get shaky right now, you know.
Talk
One
to
sugar palm mute.
me
Tell
now,
me
what
the
happened,
way.
Susie?
Just me
Yeah,
don't
we
want
know.
things
One
get
gift
shaky
share.
right now.
Shake it blood clot, cause them beg some of them on live with you
Shake it.
anyhow.
Susie, cause they
Shake
afraid of
it.
your mouth.
I
So
told
that
them come
one of
over,
them girl
come
tell
see
you
me and
this.
you on live, it a cast the problem.
Hey, Cash Queen, I know say anyone me a gift to see we are gonna beat you.
I lie you, I tell her you alone a beat her.
You know, woman says she gone to police station to give
You
the
don't
baby.
hear it look like she
Hey,
dressed woman says she
hey,
a drive
Shaka
over
police
police
station for me now,
station.
you know. Hey, you
Are you
want say
alone, none
Susie?
of me?
Susie, what beat me? Hey, a big dumb idiot, big bumbo clad. Hey, me have one video, you know. What me see if you know when she said she gonna shoot gifted, you know.
Me know a lot of people send me it.
Wow.
You know, say the girl an idiot, you know. She tried the blood clot gifted. So she gonna report gifted. And by 2 minutes, she said she gonna kill gifted.
Damn fool.
I'm not saying nobody. Who this?
You want to see Mello over there? I laugh and I enjoy herself. And I'm like,
Me
Mello,
I tell you.
man, these the niggas that just rubbed you the fuck out, like,
We
bro.
are talking about Melody.
On my
Overpost.
phone,
What do you mean? On the live or on the comment section?
in the comments, I laugh and I enjoy herself.
I'm done.
When
I'm gonna stay away from a lot of
they come
bitches.
to, I mean, I know you, girl.
I'm gonna
That's
stay
why
away
I'm
from a
telling you,
lot
I
of
don't
these
want nobody
hoes.
part with team, Susie. We done, we know a full mouth fully bad. We don't want a teammate. That's okay. Because them people are flip flop and love disrespect. Of course, not you, my beautiful friend, in real life. I'm talking about the Instagram girl.
Them flip flop for true, but me not like that. I could tell me about, oh, me see live where y'all diss me. Come, trash bag, come rubber, look on you too. I bet if me send you £20 now, your pussy get happy. Move on, going.
Me make a pum pum
Yeah.
happy. Me
So,
make a pum pum say.
but gifted. Mama, can I say something to you?
Yeah.
Puss Bindi don't like you from morning.
So don't even like our grandpitney then. Puss don't like
Right.
nobody.
Okay.
Puss don't like no blood
Yeah.
clot body because the
Yeah.
things them when she go
Gifted.
and chat
Yeah,
with
no
other
talk.
people. Puss not like
Two no
nobody.
diary and no two nothing.
Gifted.
She
Did
say
you?
you know rub for her, and
So is it up?
that's why.
So is it up? You make me give a bigger joke. Post them at tell me some if take off gifted off of my life and run the dirty girl because the dirty girl are rapist. They take her down and run her.
No, so she said, me know.
A mad blood clot woman that she don't
I
care
still
what
I try
we
control somebody. Go control your blood clot pussy.
you know, say something wrong with her. Trust me. Pussy have to deal with her like dog shit if they nice to her. If you're nice to her, she gonna treat her bad. You have to treat her like dog. She have to say big like dog and she love me. Only cannot deal with puss nice. I'm telling y'all. Tell them not so because they don't believe me. When I have to kick up pussy, make Munchie tell you.
No,
She
you have to hear one of the girl them when them say you want me to
Yeah.
spit in your mouth.
right.
Da 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 da. You have
So,
to
have to
spit in
treat
a puss mouth, man.
Munchie, come here, me and
Mm.
your puss favorite.
But still got sleep, Nello.
Tell her,
Me
What
lay down.
no,
time
tell her,
over
no, so
there?
when you deal with pussy, you have to deal with
Get
pussy
it.
like dog shit, no?
That's the truth.
Yeah, you
You
have to
can't be
piss it.
nice
You have to tell
bad,
her, say, Puss,
gifted.
more and piss in your face.
No,
Puss
me
more
not
and
about
spit
that.
on you. Yeah,
But me
dog
have to
shit.
talk to her. You have to talk to her, rough man.
Yeah.
Now me
She not
talk to her, she chat
understand
about
niceness and
how me a
kindness
bully
and
her.
gentle. Puss not understand the thing
No,
of loyalty.
when our father that peg out her pussy, our father never nice. Our father say, ugly girl, oh, ugly dirty girl, me know you and my daughter, you Jackie. Whoop me your
The
pussy,
woman
make a
really
fuck out
sit
your
down on the
wall.
blood clot live and say she see me on live I rub she. I'm like, what the fuck you
Oh,
talk
that's
about?
one
Me
her
tell
thing.
everybody
That's one
said
her
done the
thing.
argument and you
Why she
move on.
want to get rid of you?
Just go suck your
Yeah,
mama,
that's one her
yeah,
thing.
man.
Nah, run a joke with the dirty, smelly cat. Although that's not a cat, that's a hamster.
Now we put my sausage and chips and curry sauce and then I go sleep.
You know, I'm not laugh with the British food, them.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, I be American over here, so we don't eat them things there.
Mm-hmm. Sausage and chips and curry
So
sauce.
what is,
Fresh
man?
chips. Nice as fuck. I'm gonna married.
Thank God
I'm
I'm
so
come. Because nobody's Britain.
it's alright. It's
Where
alright,
sausage
mate.
and curry sauce I go?
Mate, it's nice.
No, I'm good.
Don't mind you,
Good.
mate.
I'm good, mate. I'm good. I'm good. Me love my oxtail and curry goat and fried
My
chicken
name them same way
and
too.
McDonald's and
My
something
name them
fish.
same way too. I was the one kind of food me can eat a
No
curry. The
love.
Indian curry.
No love. I'm okay with the American cuisine. Uh-uh. Ain't no sausage and curry, nothing. Curry
Mm-hmm.
don't belong
They
on
don't even
it.
know. I shouldn't even
I said
understand.
curry don't belong on sausage. Then Susie
Pussy
can't go
lose.
for a date, Susie,
Pussy
and
lose.
then
Whatever
curry
you try
sausage
win, me
go
know
to
what
you.
I want. Me say me really make some medal. You know me make some medal. Have a award ceremony.
No, girl.
When it's that for teenage, okay, when you forget what award
And,
first.
fish and chips with curry sauce. I'm good, mate. I'm good.
I lie that.
You taking the
Kimura
piss
gonna tip
out.
shop.
You
Shop
taking
on our way
the
come back
piss.
now.
You taking the
See
piss.
not eat fish and chips of curry sauce. Hi, Dasa.
Oh, I thought I was scared you.
Me wake up, come
How
now.
did I not
Me
scare you?
The
know a
flag.
gifted
But does not tell diary about the fish and about the curry sauce and sausage and she take the biscuit out and make him
you taking the piss out of me. You taking the piss
If me
out of
ever see
me.
that near, I'm gonna tell
You
me
know,
some
you know
swearing.
what is
Can't say my birthday.
Susie, I gifted quiet. We
No,
American.
when them black. Hey boy.
We
Who
American.
say not run your black? Cause the girl might run it for you, you idiot. They might be a clown.
I might
Go take away
tongue
like
and a pussy
100 strap.
carrot this.
Hey.
That me know post.
Watch diarrhea joke off your tail. Hey.
Now
One big jar. I'm gonna go sleep. I am
I'm
tired.
afraid I'm not
The food
girl.
more first.
Out of order. I know what sweet she.
Them not bad like
That
we.
man
I
for
mean,
Spanish Town nephew my par with a foreign. Then all the fuck me for make pussy like wanna make me afraid. What
look at cousin name now get
up and he has no consideration. He's still asleep.
I saw my son have one. My God. He does a ring, so what if he want up on the phone?
He loud?
I mean,
Oh,
it's so
man, it's
loud,
on
bro.
TV.
I told you I thought, diary.
He made the on the TV when that ring to us.
Yo. You know me, he had period pain.
Like, girl,
I'm cramping, diary.
You need to take if a 200 ibuprofen I have, take 4 of them or 5. May I tell you? I told
enough to take ibuprofen when you pay a period.
eh?
Enough to take ibuprofen when you pay a period.
I take 1,000
Why would you?
Ibuprofen make your blood I think
out.
I think blood.
Yeah, thin out my one
You're
for
not supposed to you make you bleed more.
make it, yeah, but the heal my pain though. So what you
Oh my God, to me was some 500 one.
Tired, you know?
God damn, man. Coco, you just so spoiled. You know you could open your own bottle. Come on now. I want to be spoiled. Oh my God, I hate it.
Lord God. Lipstick left and go bust it palm press over Momo.
Hey, it's not pressing. I think he's not up here. I think it's frozen. It's frozen. How is that? Can't Pizzle.
Oh, that's true, Mello. I'm gonna stop being on the line, but no girl, my have to sit down in a puss dirty blood clot neck because if we never sit down in them neck, they would have choose other people for cuss with no, they would have still left on blood clot we. Get the fuck out of here. Sure, come on for the second. We can't listen to Mello right now. Blood
Wait there, so wait there. Have I told that I just play diary? Eh?
No, I mean, I spend me not want to hear Mello because she have a Momo with gifted.
Oh, so man, not too righty to me, you know.
Mello flip flop car 1 minute, but just I tell her say oh the flip because the people them flop you. Then 2 minutes later, if people are this up, what's the girl? What's she name? Gifted for the live, and then you are gonna laugh in the comments. Like, what a shame, man.
And she just up on gifting live, though.
Then a shame, man.
And she just up on gifting live. You're not supposed to laugh. You have to say what the blood clot are going so.
Yeah, Mello, but Mello, me nah come off a pussy a second, man. All right, now amount of them did them distracted sometime because everybody but I got slung in a fair neck back one of them day. You have to see whole blood clot there.
Who for neck back?
No, that is stinking orange post. So me yes, I Brashy over there and Brashy said thank you post so much for allowing us to cuss them. What?
You're too loud,
I swear.
Like a we rub them